Laser Cutting Master is an advanced solution designed for precision cutting and engraving applications. This software streamlines the workflow for laser cutting machines, offering intuitive tools for design, layout, and optimization. With its user-friendly interface, it enables operators to efficiently manage projects, ensuring high-quality results with minimal material waste. The software supports a wide range of file formats, making it versatile for various industries, including textiles, woodworking, and metal fabrication. Tailor Cutting Master enhances productivity and accuracy, making it an essential tool for professionals in the cutting and engraving sector. Time-saving technology empowers users to focus on high-priority activities by minimizing distractions and simplifying complex processes. This support aims to improve accessibility, usability, and understanding for local users by offering content, customer service, or software interfaces in their preferred language. The all-in-one pack is a convenient clothing bundle that includes a blouse, kurta, shirt, and pant designed to offer complete pattern-making software. Interface that is easy to use and understand, even for those with little to no prior experience. It emphasizes intuitive design and simple navigation. Manpower cost is a critical component of operating expenses and is carefully considered in budgeting and financial planning. Involves implementing strategies to minimize fabric waste during design, cutting, and production through efficient pattern layouts, careful cutting techniques. Advanced processes that result in increased reliability, longevity, and customer satisfaction. Improved quality results in lower maintenance costs.